It's Dave Walker from Bagwork Sampling. I'm within the distributor of IGL.
Okay. Mr. Walker, you were riding your bike along the bypass and you met up on an accident.
Yeah.
Tell us what happened from there.
I met up, I was passing, I saw a lot of crowd. I was taking picture. So no man. When I stopped my bike, the police was in pain. And I sent for a claw bar and start brace off the door. Brace off the door. And then that door couldn't brace off. I'm ground on the other side, but on the driver side. Pull it and two other way. But me and the hombre come up, but we not spot him there. And assist the police take him out. Take out two of them. Fireman, personal then come on same time. They must switch and carry them to the Spanish Town hospital, and then when the assist the one back, you know what. Finally say the one back in dead, man, the pastor man. Cause we go there and feel him pulse, and I don't feel no movement, and the pastor was bleeding through the nose. No, the policeman was bleeding through the nose and the mouth. And then they go for gloves and put on, but the police never search the one back. When we take them out now and put him on the ground, we start searching, take off him clip, him extend magazine, handcuff, and he have him gun and take out him gun and it's running the other police.
What was the condition of the pastor at the time? At the time, did you realize that it was Pastor Smith?
Him can't hide. But when I touch him, you know, I feel like one heavy burden. One heavy, like something that's raised. You know what I mean? Come up and it's like there's a spirit. There's a spirit.
What did you do? What did you do then?
When you realized it was him, what were some of the thoughts that went through your mind?
Went through my mind? You know what I'm saying? Father God, the spirit, this Father God shield me. Father God shield me from this. Because I know he's a very powerful father, but you, pastor, but you more powerful than him. I'm just feeling poison and just go to the assist the police. Because from you see the accident, you see the policeman there.
What kind of injuries did the pastor have?
Visible injuries you saw?
I feel like it's an internal bleeding. I know there's no blood on the pastor.
Was he conscious?
In neck and broke. I see him neck, wrist, and the policeman shoulder.
Okay.
That time the policeman was big. Because the policeman, when the vehicle get licked, you see the policeman dead at the second. Because blood was coming to the nose and the mouth.
You say you went to the hospital with them.
Yeah.
What transpired at the hospital when you guys went to the hospital?
The police unit.
What happened when you got there? What was it?
Alright, one of the policeman was speaking. So. But him feel some pain and back. That time when the policeman went in the passenger side, him already have a scarf going in the neck. Because he have a injury in the head. Yeah, and was bleeding from the nose. And his foot broke. And the one we take out here and break.
We heard as well that persons on the scene were saying a lot of things about the pastor. You recall anything?
Listen for them, so they're going to try to help out a situation. I always feel with them and say, but try to help out, save a life. All one of the policemen they still. And that's me, we don't like it, but that's what I
Mr. Walker.